That's right, folks. I've got pandas, sloths, and koalas. Don't waste your dollars.
The coronavirus is shutting down summertime traditions here in the North Country, including the county fairs in both Clinton and Franklin counties. The Clinton County Fair was scheduled from July 28th to August 2nd. The summer Bluegrass Festival, also scheduled for the fairgrounds in mid-August, has also been postponed until next year. Clinton County Fair Manager Mike Parati says with social distancing guidelines right now, it would be impossible and, in his words, irresponsible to hold the fair that draws thousands every year to the Midway rides and grandstand show.